Hey guys, this is John from Funtopia Videos. Today we're going to replace a stranded arm for a 2018 Turbo RZR. Okay, first thing you have to do is remove this star screw here. Got this place here. Got that. We got one more there. Okay, and then we got a couple underneath here. Hey guys, so with this one here, we start some first. Right there. Make sure you have a nice bucket so you lose all the screw here. And you got this one here. Okay. And get this one here. Okay. We're going to loose this up here. That with number size 10 millimeter. So the next step is to remove the shock here. We're using a 19 millimeters. Okay, next we're gonna remove the links. We use a 15 millimeters. So next one, we're gonna take this budget cord here and tie it up with this, so that way it doesn't fall down. Okay, so next step, we're gonna use a 15 millimeter, and we're gonna loose this up here. Okay. Okay, so next step, we're gonna use a 19 millimeter. Like this, and go over here, just lift it up a little bit and pull. It should come out easy, just like that. Okay, so this right here is the old one that we removed, and this right here is the factory new one here. The reason why we are replacing a new one because our last trip from Glamis, we did a big jump, and the rear in it, landed pretty hard. So if you can see here, it's kind of bent. You can see the gap here. It's kind of bent there, and it's the original one there. It's nice and flush. See, so the alignment kind of throw it off a little bit. I can wiggle back and forth here, and we could try to get this thing done ASAP because we have a Glamis ride tomorrow morning. So the next step is take a snap ring tools and remove the snap ring here, just like that. And make sure you don't lose it.
2, 3.
Okay, after you take out the snap ring, you take this trend arm, turn it upside down. Okay, turn it over. Okay, and after that, we use the socket here. Probably 11/16 probably be a good size. And you know what? This spray WD-40. That to loosen it up. This right here. Normally you give about 2 or 3 tap, it should come out. Okay. So let's be 1, 2. We'll pop one more. Okay. Just like that. Okay, so now we go get ready to put this one into the new trailing arms. Spray WD-40 here. Okay, some here. Okay. Let's put it here like this. Just make sure everything's level, okay, before you hit it down. Then this one here, I use a number 19 millimeters. And just give a little tap. Just to get started, okay? And then now just hit it harder. Okay, once you get it in, already just put in a snap ring, the way how you take it out. like this. Just make sure it's down all the way. Okay. And that's it. That's how you put them in.
2, 3.
Okay, so when you put back everything together, just make sure you put Loctite on it, okay? Just like that. So as we put Loctite on already, just line up the hole here. This, take this, put it behind her. Don't do it too tight yet, just do hand tight for now. Then we'll make it tight later on. Okay, so we're gonna try to line this up here. Put this bolt here in like this. And then put this bolt here. It should be 4 bolts. If it doesn't fit, just turn the wheels this way. There we go. And slide in here. A little bit more. Get it there. Just like that. Now we can put the Loctite on her. Okay. And then we can put a washer on here, just like basically just reverse what you just did earlier. There. Put this one on here, like this. And just do by hand for now, and then we do the impact pretty soon. Okay, so we use a 15 millimeters.
Go.
Okay, so we got 3 star screw here. I got that one tight. I got that one tight, and just tighten this one up here, the last one here, and then tighten up this 2 bolt here, just to reverse what we did earlier. And now we're gonna do the links here. Make sure it's lined up. Let's go higher, go lower. So next step is to line up the link here. Put this in, and I'm using like the number 15 millimeters. Okay. Okay, so just make sure you put a Loctite on it. Okay. Get the shock lined up. Let's do this by hand for a second. We can use the match here. Okay guys, so this job seemed pretty easy, and all we have to do is put on the wheels and ready for Glamis tomorrow morning. Any correction, just leave comments below, and please like, share, and subscribe.